Are you considering how much a new deck will cost in 2025? If you're thinking about a deck project, one of the first things that people want to know is how much is this thing going to cost me? In this video, I'm going to share a few rough numbers to help you prepare a budget for your project. But the first question to ask yourself about your deck project is, what type of material do I want to use? Decks are primarily made of two different kinds of material. There's treated wood and composite materials like Trex. The second question is, how large should my deck be? You know, if you have an existing deck, you're going to want to think about, do I want to replace it with the exact same size? Do I want to go a little smaller or possibly go a little bigger? The size of your deck is going to be a major driver in the cost of your deck project. The third question to ask yourself is, do I have any special designs in mind? Special designs are major drivers in the cost of your deck project. A basic rectangle deck, you know, like a 12 by 16, without any special features, is going to be on the lowest end of the cost spectrum. Complicated angles, arches, specialty railing, or custom inlays and designs, those are going to be more costly. Obviously, each deck project is unique based on these different things that I've mentioned, and I'm going to share a couple of rough budget numbers to help you kind of get a budget number put together. Wood decks this year in 2025, I would say, should start out at about $45 per square foot. If you can figure out the square footage area of your deck, if you're thinking just a basic wood deck here in West Michigan, it should start out at about the $45 per square foot mark. Again, this depends on height and a few different things and any obstacles, but you should be able to get your project started in that price range. Composite decks have a whole larger spectrum of factors, but they should start out at about $75 per square foot, and they're going to go up depending on those different things that I mentioned before. If price is important to you, you're probably going to want to consider a quality but economical deck board like Trex Enhance with an aluminum or composite rails. Your composite deck project should include a permit, proper installation, including hidden fasteners, and quality installation. Things that are going to drive up the cost of your composite deck are specialty railing like cable, glass, or rod rail, and there's a whole bunch of other options out there, along with premium composite deck boards. Each composite deck brand, like Trex or TimberTech, they all have like a good, better, best, and those premium deck boards have some amazing features that can be great, but they are going to affect the cost of your project. So just to sum up, if you're thinking of a treated wood deck and it's going to be fairly basic, I would budget something around the $45 per square foot starting point, and then composite decks are going to start out at about $75 per square foot and can go up depending on the features that you select. I hope this helps you plan your project. If you need help with a deck project here in West Michigan near Allegan County, feel free to reach out to our team here at Property Revolution. We'd be happy to help you with your project. Thanks for watching.